Klaro, dayon o dili ang HPBS.
Gayon. Gayon, no? On behalf of the Department of Transportation, Project Office, and of course the city government of Davao, which is a major stakeholder of the department, dayon ta.
Sir, pwede mapasabot nga nung nigawas na ay
Delay, 8 months.
8 months delayed o ganong na ay nigawas nga dili sa madayon.
Ka ng 8 months delay, diligin na siya malikayan, okay, in a project na inani ka komplikado. So, nakuha ang iyang budget, unya, nagagod i-acquire ng mga dita para sa ato ang mga terminals, depots, so ka ng mga bus stops, 1,000 plus. So, diligin malikayan na natin yung mga delays na inana. But officially, no, dayon ta, walay problema, no, funds are there. It's just a matter of processing katong mga detailed na mga documentary requirements.
Sir, asa ang pondo karon? Asa na ang pondo? 72 billion, sir, tama?
Ang pondo kasi is coming from three sources, no? Number one, kanang mga loan proceeds nato from Asian Development Bank, and then the government of the Philippines, and then of course ang statehood ng ating city government of Davao. So, tulo ang sources of funds natin.
Pero kanang 8 months delayed, sir, still working paghihapon? Like, mayroon pang tinatrabaho?
Ang unang good cause of delay is kanang when we had the NEDA approval, no, 2019, no, we had to do a study, no, kung tama pa ba katong feasibility study done before 2019, before pandemic. So katong nagsuway tagtanaw, no, i-study nato, nakita nato na naay kinahanglan idugang, no, naay mga component dito na kulang. So size ng terminal, no, mga atong entitlement package sa ato ang mga driver o operator na ilang madawat, nakita nato na kinahanglan nato idugang ay. So we had to reapply, no, and get another approval from NEDA. So 2023 and 2024, wala ka matagaan og budget from national tungod ani kay wala pa tayong agreement. So if you remember, ni ani si President Marcos no 2023 signed the new agreement here. At to witness the signing. After that, NEDA gave the go signal na to PBL.
Sir, ang target this year, mabayaran na ang mga tag-iya sa yuta.
Yes, mostly, no? Kung wala na yung problema sa documentary report, kay dili naman po ang ka ng mga pagpalitulog dito, kinahanggang dito po ang tutulo sa landowners, no? So, ang ilang mga arrangements ay na kada pamilya. So, isa po na, no? We have to, dapat upside po, no? Ang ilang mga documents. So, hopefully by, no, God willing, no, 80% siguro, no, we can process it.
Pila
Sir,
ka area, sir? Pila ka area nito rin ang bayaran?
Naman tayo tulong ka terminal, no? Terminal na po sa Turin for those coming from Tagapawan, Cotabato, Jensan. And then kung gikan ka Cagayan de Oro, Bukidnon, terminal na ito nasa Kalina. And then kung gikan ka Del Norte, Davao Oriental, ang terminal na ito nasa Bukinawan. So natay tulong sa terminal, and then 5 ka depot or kanang garahe. Diri ang ato ang mga bus na i-service or mag-standby charge. Kaya naman tayo electric bus. So, diha sa i-charge, minus wala sa gabiyahe.
So can you give us a little bit siguro background sa hiring the general consultant, sir, and kung saan niya ang
That ma'am is, we cannot divulge that to okay.
Ano siya ang role na ni sir?
Okay. The general consultant will be the ones who will be advising us. No? Kasi, kining bus operation ng road is something new. No? The city government has no experience pa in running this. No? And the Davao bus or high priority buses hasn't been done yet in our country. So first time ko. So we need someone to advise us on us. No?
Sir, dili ta apektado sa election? Wala election ban sa project?
Ka-comment na ma'am. Election ban, no?
opo.
We will ask for the necessary exemptions.
Sir, completion rate nato po since next year, 2026 na nga to ang partial na implementation.
Actually, ready naman ta, no? Our contractors are on board, no? Our social preparation, no? Ongoing na. So, we just need to fully acquire, no, the lands for our terminals. But, pag naala na. As I said, naghahamon sa requirements, ma'am. Also, pag mga ganun government and ADB requirements on procurement, then stringent siya. So, we really have to comply.
Thank you, sir. Sir, full name and designation po.
Richard Villanueva po, Project Evaluation Officer for the DOER Project Office for Davao Fair.
Is na what they call it behind any delays na po sa kasi of course knowing the national and then the city's hot and cold relationship right now, it does not affect
We would not like to think so, ma'am, na politics is involved.